guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a mint mongoose. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but the company was kind enough to send me another one, so I am really excited about this. So mint mongoose is $12 a month and you get 3 pieces of jewelry. They also have, I think it's just called mint mongoose black. So mint mongoose black is a little bit more expensive, but the quality of the jewelry is supposed to be better. So anyway, no. I love the packaging on this cute little box with the mint mongoose thing. Oh, and my Werthers, I forgot about these. I love that little candy. I don't know why. It's the little things in life, right? I'm actually really excited about this. It's been so long since I've gotten one of these. All right, first thing looks like one of those bracelets that you tighten. I've been getting a lot of this style of bracelet, you know, where you pull the ends to tighten it. This is different though. I actually really like this one. I like the black and it's a little beefier. That's really cute. Reminds me of the 90s. Ooh, spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box free. That's good to know. That is another thing to mention, is that they do have an online shop. So if you see something, you know, that you like, you can just be like, ooh, I'm gonna go online and buy that from their shop. Or maybe you get something like, I know I got this pair of earrings once and my sister loved them. So I was like, ooh, I'm just gonna go online to their shop and buy them for her. What is this fun thing? Is this a necklace? What is this? Also, when you first sign up for Mint Mongoose, you do a little profile thing. So you tell them, do you like silver? Do you like gold, rose gold, or do you like all three? And whether or not you wear watches or want a watch, I guess, and whether or not your ears are pierced. I think that's it. I think those are the only options, but it's nice that they do a little bit of customization, you know. Okay, I got it untangled. That is really long. But it's cool, I like it. These are kind of heavy. They're, you know, they hang nicely, like it's not gonna, I don't know. It's got a nice weight on it. Let's see, is this adjustable? No. I'm getting more into long necklaces because they're good to wear either layered or with very plain shirts, you know? You can drape a nice long necklace on there and it just adds some decoration. Okay, let's see. Oh, these look like matching earrings. Yep, look at these. Aren't those cute? These are fun, actually. Oh, those are really cute. I actually really like these. And I love the necklace. Fun! I was just thinking the other day that I don't have nearly enough rose gold earrings. I have lots of necklaces and rings and stuff, but I need more earrings. Perfect, I love these. These are super cute. And for only $12, you guys, I love this box, it's awesome. So I will leave all of the information in the description box. Thank you so much, Mint Mongoose, for sending this my way, and thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!